Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix your TikTok payment method problems. Now first open your TikTok app on your phone and then go to your profile. So here once you are on your profile, just click on the three bars in the top right corner. So click on them once and here this panel will appear. Go to settings and privacy. Now once you are here, select balance. As you can see here in the account section, you'll find balance. So click on it once and here you will find your live rewards, your balance, your transactions, etc. So what's important here is the live rewards. So just click on view and here you will find the panel with your balance if you want to withdraw your payment method, etc. So here, go to payment method, go to manage, and you will find the various payment methods that you have made or you have entered in your account. Now, in this example, there is only PayPal because I didn't add any other payment method, but you can also add a credit card or a bank account or a Pioneer account or any other payment method. Now, why a problem of payment method may appear to you? It's maybe because your PayPal account is fraudulent or there is suspicious activity. Maybe your credit card is stolen, maybe it's expired. Just make sure that your payment methods are correct, valid, and able to be used, basically. Because they can send you money on a PayPal account that is suspiciously acting. Maybe it has been hacked or something like that. So just be cautious of that. Now, you may also need to know that you must have at least $100 to withdraw. And if the TikTok balance is not showing to you and can do all these steps, I'm gonna show you another step. So just go back to your settings and privacy and scroll down to the support and about section. You can go to report a problem and here you will find various topics. So what I want you to click on is TikTok balance. Once you click on TikTok balance here, this panel will appear. So you have to click on other. It's the last thing here. Click on other and then click on other again. It's the last thing. Now here you have to go to no. Is your problem resolved? Obviously no. And then go to need more help. Once you are on this page, just send a message where you explain clearly your situation and why you can't be paid, and just write, I advise you to write a good paragraph where you explain your situation and prove that you are not having suspicious activity, that you are not fraudulent, that you are not against the TikTok terms and conditions, and you should be good. The support will help you in the next 24 hours. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.